If your Discord microphone is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix it step by step. This guide is perfect if people can't hear you in Discord, your mic is too quiet, or Discord is using the wrong input device. We'll go through the exact settings you need to check inside Discord and on your Windows computer so you can get your microphone working again as fast as possible. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord or launch the Discord desktop app on your computer. Once Discord is open, look near your username in the bottom corner and click the gear icon. This opens User Settings, where you can control all of your voice and audio options. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click Voice and Video. This is the main area where Discord handles your microphone and speaker settings. Now look for the Microphone section. Here, you want to make sure Discord is set to the correct microphone. If you have more than one mic connected, such as a headset mic, laptop mic, or USB microphone, select the one you actually want to use. Choosing the wrong input device is one of the most common reasons your mic stops working in Discord. After selecting the correct microphone, check the microphone volume slider. If it is too low, people may barely hear you or may not hear you at all. Increase the slider to a comfortable level so your voice comes through clearly. Next, use the Let's Check button to test your microphone. Click it and speak normally into your mic. Discord will let you hear how your voice sounds, which is a great way to confirm that the correct microphone is working properly. If you can hear yourself clearly, that's a good sign the issue is being fixed. Also, take a moment to check whether you are muted near your username in Discord. Sometimes the mute icon is turned on by accident, and that can make it seem like your microphone is broken when it's really just muted. If mute is enabled, turn it off so your voice can transmit again. If Discord still can't detect your microphone, the next thing to check is your Windows microphone permissions. Sometimes Discord is blocked by your system settings, even if the app looks set up correctly. To fix that, press Windows+I on your keyboard to open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and click Microphone. On this page, make sure microphone access is turned on. If it is off, Discord and other apps may not be allowed to use your mic at all. Then turn on Let Desktop Apps access your microphone. This is especially important for the Discord desktop app because without this permission, your mic may not work even if everything inside Discord looks correct. Once both permissions are enabled, go back to Discord and test your microphone again using Let's Check. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. If your voice now works, great, you've fixed Discord microphone not working. If not, go back and double check that the right microphone is selected, the volume is turned up, and you are not muted. These small settings are often the difference between a silent mic and a working one. So to quickly recap, open Discord, go to User Settings, open Voice and Video, select the correct microphone, increase the volume, test it with Let's Check, make sure you are not muted, and then enable microphone access in Windows Privacy settings. Follow these steps carefully and you should be able to get your Discord microphone working again without much trouble. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Discord troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.